Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and I welcome you today to continue with my forecast series for altcoins using AI. And today we'll be discussing about Ethereum Classic and its token ETC, and we'll be forecasting ETC's price using AI technique known as autoregressive integrated moving average, which stands for ARIMA shortened form, and we'll be using data since 2017 and analyzing the monthly average price for the ETC token using historical z-scores, standard deviation, and the output of the AI model. I'll be presenting three scenarios. The base scenario, which is the forecast that is made by the AI model from May of 2023 to December of 2023 using data since 2017. The second scenario would be the bullish scenario, which is one standard deviation away to the positive side using historical z-scores and its percentile distribution at this phase of the market. The third scenario that I will be discussing is the recession scenario, which considers the AI model as well as historical z-scores and one standard deviation to the downside. Let's get started with that agenda in mind. So as you can see on the screen, the chart is the AI's base forecast for the ETC token, and as the color codes which range from slightly red to green and back deep red are based on the historical z-score of the ETC token. And by z-score I mean uh, for example, in the month of January 2018, the average price for the ETC token was $33, which was about zero point 0.8 standard deviation away from the mean. So for this token, ever since it was introduced, the mean price was around $19, whereas the standard deviation is about $16. So that's why, and when the z-score is positive and uh, when the z-score is higher than 1, the color code is around, it gets redder as the z-score increases. So for example, in May of 2021, when the average price was around $82, the z-score was 3.66, and that's why the color is deep red. uh, Similarly, during the bearish phases of the market, for example, in December of 2019, when the average price of this token was around $4, the z-score was almost 0.93 to almost 0.94 to the downside. That means the price was 0.94 standard deviation away from the mean, which is uh, 19 was the mean, whereas 16 was the standard deviation. That's how the color codes are created, and these values inform us how the forecasts would be in a bullish scenario or in a recession scenario. So coming to the forecast, this ARIMA AI machine learning model uh, forecasts a monthly average price for the month of May around $23.65, which is about 15% from the current price of past months. Month average price was around $20.7. Uh, Moving to the month of June, from $23.65, it forecasts a crash to $21.43, which is about a 10% crash. In July, the model forecasts further uh, lesser crash around $20.81. So in total, about uh, the rally to the downside to almost 15%, 15 to 20%, 15% actually, which is around the current price for this token till July. In August, it again forecasts a slight bullish rally till to the price of $23.25. And since August, that the model predicts that the token will crash till the end of the year. So in September, the price average price forecasted is around $20.15. For October, $17.11. For November, 15 almost $16, and for December, $14.28. That's the average price forecasted. So the range is from $23.65 till $14. So from the highs, this model forecasts that the price of the token will crash to about 50% from 23 to almost 14.28. So almost 45 to 50% crash is forecasted. Coming over to the bullish scenario, and these values are again, as I mentioned, is one standard deviation, and as well as the z-score, relevant z-scores are applied uh, to calculate these values. So this bullish forecast range for the uh, month of May. The price forecasted is around $27.42, which is so almost 30-35 percent higher than the past months for past months average price. So in June, the forecasted price is around $25.73. In July, $24.52. So that would mean since May till July, the price crashes around 10%, little over 10%, and then in August again a rally till $27 almost, and since August a similar trend is forecasted even in the bullish scenario, although the values would be uh, slightly higher than the base forecast. The model has forecasted a, a crash from August till December. The values would be $26.80 in for the month of August as an average price, and in September $23.68, in October $20.26, in November $19.12, and in December $17.26, which would be about 15% crash from its current price. So in bullish scenario, the range is from $27 till $17 for this token, which would be 30% upside and 15% downside is what is being forecasted. Coming over to the recession scenario, and this assumes that model assumes that we get a recession right away. That's why we have applied one standard deviation to the downside while considering forecast for this token. So the actual timelines may differ. So consider May as the first month of recession. The forecast would be in the month of May, it would be around $19.88. In June, $17. In July, $17.10. In August, $19.69, and a similar trend from August till December. A crash uh, from $19 to about $11.30. And for the month of September, it's the price average price forecasted is $16. October is $13.96. Uh, November $12 $0.87, and in December $11.30. So this $11 would from this current price of $20.70, this $11.30 is around uh, again a 50 near 50% drop from this current price, and that is something that is being forecasted in the scenario of recession. Uh, these were all the forecasts pertaining to ETC. I hope you like this content. If you did, give us a like or subscribe to our channel. I'll be making a few more altcoin based price forecasts using AI. So please stay tuned for that. Bye bye.